Hey y'all.
Hey.
All right, we are going to move the chicken tractor.
Yep. We're going to attach a rope to it. So hopefully we can make it where one person can kind of drag it along. We're going to see, because we can't move it fast because the birds have to have time to move so you don't run over them and smash them. So we're going to, I'm going to tie this rope. We'll show you how we're doing that. This is an experiment.
Like everything we do.
Like most of the things we do,
No.
yeah. Hopefully it'll work. I think that it will. So we're going to try it and we'll see. But the way I want to tie it, I want to come in on the side and go around this 2x4, the upright 2x4, because I feel like that'll be a much stronger attachment for when we're dragging. It won't be putting all the pressure on the bottom board to pull it apart. This way they're kind of all tied together.
Wrapped completely around the brace.
Wrapped completely around the brace and this 2x4.
Yep.
I'm just going to tie a regular overhand knot because it's not super critical. So we've got that, and we probably need, Jack, stand right here and hold that about there. And I'm going to cut this rope because it really isn't this old rope that I've had for years. I think I paid 50 cents for at a yard sale.
That chicken must have just laid an egg.
I hear her cackling.
No, she's going back in the coop.
Alright. Let's do it this way, just the same. Give me some, you can let go of it now, Jack. I just wanted you to kind of measure to see how much I needed.
The chicken's watching you.
Oh,
Very
nice.
interested.
I just stuck my finger right in wet chicken poop.
Yay.
That's awesome. Let go, Bubby.
Chicken chased another chicken out of the coop. I think she's broody, and I think she doesn't like other chickens
Maybe
coming in
that's
there.
why they're laying everywhere else now. Oh,
Probably.
we need to unhook the light, Jack. Let's get the light out.
Yeah, they don't need that light anymore. They're old enough. We just need to unhook it, get it out.
Gonna work. We'll
I think so.
Move this knot down somewhere. It's not pulling so much on the wire.
We did not get a chance to move them yesterday, so they've been in this spot too long. We need to get them
2
moved.
days in one spot is too much.
Yeah. We have the lid open.
Move them twice a day.
Yeah. So.
Jack, would you rather wait till we move it where it's cleaner, no poop on the ground?
Yeah, that would be.
Okay.
That'll be better.
Yeah.
Thought about that. Okay. So,
So.
Jack, you stand behind there and try to scare the chicks this way.
Yeah, I kind of tap the wire to get them to move. There you go. Gently.
Are they? Tell me when they're clear.
There's one right here.
Come on.
Watch out. Careful, careful. There you go.
This is not bad at all.
Okay, whoa.
Jack, you need to talk to me, buddy, and tell me what I need to do.
There.
Well, there's one right here. Shoot it. Oh.
Tell me when to stop.
It always makes me nervous moving the chicken tractor. I don't want to smash any of them.
Keep going.
It's probably big enough to, and I'm moving it slow enough where it'll work.
Yeah, they get out of the way. Very good. Almost.
A little bit farther. Yeah, I think that's.
All right.
Fresh ground.
Yep. All right, get that light. We're going to give them fresh water with some more apple cider vinegar in it, and their feeders full. We're going to put in
see
there.
if I have enough of this rope to attach to this side, because we're going to be moving them that way and this way.
We're going to move that way.
About
So
two
two
or
more,
three more times.
probably 3 more times. Then we'll start coming this way.
Yep, we'll go that way. So I'll go ahead and see if I can attach this
the
rope to
left.
here.
Yeah.
If there's enough of
There
it.
might be. And then,
Oh,
yeah.
there is.
Perfect.
Tie this knot. And that'll
So-
cover the next few moves.
Yep. That'll be perfect. And then
That rope to this end.
we did order some Freedom Rangers.
Yes,
100 of them. Yay, they're going to be here this week.
I'm excited about Freedom Rangers.
so-
I am. Did you rinse that out real good, Jack G?
I didn't. I dumped it out.
Yeah, well,
Rinse it real
rinse
good.
it a
'cause
little
they're-
better.
Yeah. Anyway, so we, like I said the other day, we decided to go ahead and we've been interested in Freedom Rangers for a long time. We just never have because usually we've actually been ordering meat birds with other people in bulk, and this time we ordered on our own. But and I didn't realize we could get them they're actually less expensive they're less than what we paid for these. I'm excited about that.
A lot less.
And so that'll be exciting to see. We'll compare them. Growing side by side, obviously. These will be ready to butcher way before.
They're a heritage breed.
Yeah, they're a heritage breed, which is important to us. We like to raise heritage breed livestock. too. So, and then we'll put them in the brooder that we made. We'll have to add a new roof to it because we took the roof off and the wire, so we'll have to fix it up for them. But and then I'm interested too to compare the meat side by side. Jason over at Cog Hill Farm grew them side by side, and they did a taste test, and they said that they could tell a big difference in the flavor of the meat.
Yeah.
They said the Freedom Ranger was more flavorful, just better. So it'll be interesting to see the cost comparison of raising the two and the flavor and all that. Yeah, go ahead and pour some apple cider vinegar in there, a little bit more. Good. All right, so we're gonna get this done, and then
Milk.
next in a little bit here, we're gonna milk again and feed baby goats. So, all right.
I hope this is enough rope.
I think it will be. This lid does pretty good.
Yeah,
It's not fancy, but it
actually works pretty good, doesn't it?
Yep. Just so you keep the.
Oh yeah, this is nice. This will work.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. So.
That's a way better way than
Yep.
trying to pick
At
up
least
and drag it
they
without
all have
rope.
plenty of room. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's half of what we ordered, less than half. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, that's sad. Hopefully the rest of them will do all right.
These are going to be very expensive meat birds.
Yeah, they are. Well, unfortunately.
So, instead
All
of
right.
how much were they each when we bought them?
Oh goodness. I can't remember.
Like $2 or something.
Yeah,
weren't
it was around $2
So,
each. I can't remember.
they? Over half
Plus
of them
the
died,
feed.
so that's over $4 each.
That's not very good return on
No.
investment.
There are
We've
roughly
done really well
50
in the
left.
But we know what we'll have. We
Yeah.
know what we have, and they'll be
Yeah.
delicious.
Yep, they'll be good, and then we'll get these Freedom Rangers, and we should be stocked up on chicken pretty well for a while. Chicken and beef, and then by the time we get, we'll have a pig ready to butcher before
Yeah, these pigs are
maybe
raising
in a
out
month.
awesome. I'm excited.
So
Yep,
that'll be good.
it will be. I
That'll
need to go
help a
wash
lot
my
with the
hands.
grocery bill.
Have chicken poop on me.
All right. Hey, Emma.
Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm carrying this back.
Of organic alfalfa pellets, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. You're really strong. I said, oh, I need to take this. We'll have to get this, meaning that Daddy and Jack could get it for us. And Emma just whipped it right out and started walking with it. I was like, all right then.
Hey,
Hey.
Jenna's getting ready to milk.
It's a little late. We were going to milk earlier, but then we had to run the errands.
Yes.
We didn't get to, but that's okay.
But we have lights in the barn, so it's pretty cool.
So we're waiting on Jack's scoop and feed.
Yep.
Mango's anxiously waiting. She
She
wasn't supposed to
is.
be out yet, but she got out, so I made her get in.
Yeah, they didn't know I didn't have power on these wires over here, and I guess they have since discovered that there is no power. I have to hook it back up.
We had it hooked up, but then we
And we unhooked it. Yep.
All
right.
My jar.
Yes, that's what we filter our milk. It's like one of those reusable coffee filters with the canning funnel and the half-gallon jar. You set that over on the table saw, Jack? Hey, let me look at this. There's Kylie. There you are milking. But check this out. Kylie has a bantam chick hanging out on her arm. Like she's a pirate and it's a parrot. So, there's the baby goats running around and Jeremiah.
Baby goat Lee is still figuring out how to get out of there.
Yeah, I saw that. He was
He
loose.
climbed out right here between these two top boards.
Did he?
Between me,
He's an escape artist.
he knows how to escape.
I'm still not
everywhere.
putting my pail down for her and milking both sides
Yeah.
because
He
she's
knows how
still
to
She's being much better.
But I still mosquitoes out here. I
Yep.
still don't want her to kick her milk over.
That's right. Oh, look, Kylie has the chicken sitting on her shoulder now. That's ridiculous. What's that one's name, Kylie?
Drain.
That's Thrain. Oh my goodness, Kylie. There's a big old beetle on you.
It just
Yes.
flew on me.
Hey, look, now there's one on me. Yep.
It's with me.
Yeah. That's the problem with milking at night under the lights.
Yeah. I was
One of those bug zappers would be cool. They could zap all the bugs and the chickens could eat them.
Go.
Pepper's hanging out, watching. Mara's waiting her turn to be milked.
I'm
But
putting Mommy's
Tango's doing much better, isn't she?
Really good, yeah.
Yeah.
She's happy. We got some organic alfalfa pellets that Emma carried earlier. And,
Yes.
they really like that. That helps. Makes their feet a little tastier.
I wish those
Absolutely.
lights would zap the bugs.
Huh?
I wish those lights would zap the bugs.
Oh, I know. They make bug zappers, but I don't know how much they cost.
Oh, he pet Pepper, Daddy.
Did you pet Pepper, Jakey? You and your little Hawaiian-looking shirt?
Way
Your
too
beach
small
shirt?
for him.
Yep.
That was Jackson. Jack was a baby. A little.
Farm kids don't care about chicken poop and bare feet.
No.
Or goat poop
Gross,
or horse
y'all.
poop. They just go with it. I don't even know.
We have plenty of baths.
Jeremiah cares. He's got shoes on.
I don't.
So do I.
I know.
Yep.
And don't wear
I see that, Josiah. You wear shoes.
I know. I don't wear
Dad, she doesn't care.
Oh, this is the frizzle chick.
Oh my goodness, I love that one. That's my favorite.
It looks like it's wet. It has crazy feathers.
In the wet hand.
Yep. What's that one's name, Kylie?
Frizzle. I call it Frizzle.
Frizzle.
Renee.
It's for you.
That's what Renee doing. That's what she calls it.
Opie is not happy.
Mom, Peter is actually sucking on my finger.
Yeah, they're hungry. I'm gonna strain Mara's milk. Technically, we can start drinking her milk today, but
Yeah. The
babies
babies need it right now.
Bam, bam, bam. We were drinking raw milk. I drank milk. I drank mine.
You drank Tango's milk today?
Yeah,
I did
I
too.
see.
It's really good. You drank Tango's milk too, Jacob?
Yeah.
Was it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Look, he's out again.
All right. Where's my
It's over there on the saw.
Okay.
In our multi-purpose barn.
Multi-purpose messy barn.
Well, it's only messy because it's what we have
I know.
for everything. It was way worse before the feed room was built.
She gave almost a half gallon. It was barely less than half gallon this morning, so.
So almost 3 quarts today. Pasture. There's Mara. This is the goat kids' milk
Hopefully she'll be ready to repeat.
so far.
She's a very heavy producer, so
Yes,
she's giving almost a full gallon a day.
it's pretty awesome. I'll be glad when the babies are weaned.
Yeah, definitely. Mosquito.
It bit you through your pants?
Bit me on the
Wow.
ear. Sometimes I milk straight into the bottles, but I can only do one at a time like that. So.
Yeah. This is much faster.
Should have put my natural bug repellent on before I came out here. I'm getting eat up.
They're like, our friends are gone.
Wait, they didn't feed us. Wait, come here.
Hey. Hey there, little goat.
That's Rosemary. That's that.
Screaming.
Scream.
Hey, goats. Hey, baby goats. Hey, baby goats. Even Lily and Peter are getting much more friendly now, aren't they?
Oh yeah, they're very happy. What, baby?
What, Lydia? Are there some left? Yeah, you can have one. Okay.
There's baby chicks.
I can hear them chirping.
Oh, I'm gonna have to lock up the chickens over there out here.
Yeah, they have to come back out and feed
Feed what?
baby goats.
Oh. It's like, okay, Riley will be disappointed she doesn't get to feed her baby
Yes,
goats.
I know.
Her favorite
Oh, our
food.
battery's dying. You better end this video.
All right, well, that's it. We're gonna finish milking and feed these baby goats and go to bed.
Eat some supper
And
first.
there's a beetle. I'm glad this milk is not for me.
Wow. I'll get that out.
Yeah, we won't feed it to the baby.
Nope. All right, that's that.